Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost trail in Super Bear Adventure. This unique visual effect leaves a cool, white, ghost-like trail behind your bear as you move through the game world. Unlike other trails, the ghost trail stays visible until you decide to unequip it, making it a truly special item to show off. The first crucial step is to complete all gold time challenges. These are special levels where speed is key. You need to finish them within a strict time limit to earn the gold reward. For instance, in the Zephyr level, you might need to collect approximately 175 coins in under 9 minutes. It can be quite challenging, so practice is essential. As you conquer the gold time challenges, you will earn gold bears. Your goal is to collect every single one of these gold bears throughout the game. There are a total of 32 gold bears to find, each representing a completed gold time challenge. This step requires dedication and mastery of each level's objectives. After successfully collecting all 32 gold bears, the ghost trail will be unlocked for you. Simply make your way to the hive, which is a central area in the game. From there, you can access your inventory and equip the ghost trail at no cost. Enjoy showing off your impressive new trail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.